Animals.
And vehicles.
Are you picturing a chicken in a car?
Oh, a frog? In a fire truck?
Sheep in a submarine.
I'm imagining an ibis on a bicycle.
A baboon in a balloon.
A kangaroo in a canoe.
Do you think a pelican could captain a pirate ship?
Oh, how about a horse hustling upwards in a helicopter?
I'd participate in a picnic with a possum and a panther on a plane and float on a boat with a big brontosaurus.
Oh, really? But would you share a spaceship with a squirrel? Maybe take a train with a triceratops?
I'd ride with a raccoon on a rocket.
And I'd share a ferry with a pink flamingo.
And you know your dog would love to drive a dump truck.
Oh, she would. You know she would. Animals.
And vehicles.
I think if a mouse was on a motorcycle, she might need a monkey to help her maneuver, but I bet they would make room for me.
Well, they better. And I think a reindeer would like riding in a rowdy red recycling truck.
As a brave and brainy bear barrels past us in a bus.
Do you think an octopus could use a scooter?
Oh, I think that a turtle with a tow truck could triangulate a taxi through a traffic jam.
Animals.
And vehicles?
Really, it's clear that your animals have all the adventures you can possibly imagine.
So, if you've got a floppy dog, a bunny, or a bear, what do you think they might enjoy driving?
Does it fly?
Or float?
Or slide?
Or take off with a spectacular supersonic zoom?
And where do you imagine
Yes, where do you imagine?
you will go?
Where we will go.
Yes!
Zoom!
Zoom, zoom! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.